If you have a business that you're passionate about, chances are you've put your heart and soul into it already, and you want it to succeed, right? Well, it's not going to succeed if you don't take care of yourself first. So in this episode of How to Ikigai, I'll demonstrate how Ikigai is a wonderful tool for creating work-life balance so that you can have a successful business and a meaningful life too. My name is Tim Tamashiro. I'm the author of a book called How to Ikigai. Most people find it difficult in life to understand what their purpose in life is. Ikigai is the map that can help you find it. And the beautiful thing is there are only 4 directions to follow. You do what you love, do what you're good at, do what the world needs, and do what you can be rewarded for. In other words, do more you. If you want to do more you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you can be reminded the next time I create a video and upload it here to the channel. Now, I give presentations to successful business owners all the time, and I'm always impressed at how passionate they are about their products and services that they offer. If you're a business owner, chances are you're also emotionally intelligent and aware of the wants and needs of all your employees. But how aware are you of your own wants and needs? In other words, what do you love to do and what are you good at? When you started your business, you probably had a dream and you came up with a product or a service that could help other people in ways that they desperately needed. That's the essence of a good business. You find a need and fulfill it. But as your business grew, so did your responsibilities. You had to do all the hiring and the books and the marketing and everything else that was essential to growing your business. Chances are you might have grown out of those roles as your business thrived, but did you circle back to doing the things that you love to do or the things that you were good at? I've heard so many business owners complain about the minutia of daily business, and they don't want to deal with things like hiring and firing people. They're tired of solving the little problems and then having to go to meeting after meeting and a meeting. And let's face it, meetings are real soul suckers. So, circle back. Take some time to reconnect to the reason you started your business in the first place. In fact, circle back to the essence of what makes you love life. Remember at the beginning of this video, I told you that Ikigai had 4 directions to follow. The first 2 directions of Ikigai are the most essential for your well-being. What do you love to do? And what are you good at? You were not born to build a successful business. In fact, you were born so that you could live a meaningful life. And if you spend your days working as hard as you can to ensure you build bigger piles of money so that you can sell your business one day and maybe retire, then your life is still going to lack meaning when that takes place, isn't it? Research in positive psychology shows that monetary influence is not effective in creating sustainable long-term meaning for people. Instead, something called time affluence is far more beneficial. In other words, if you believe that you are time rich and you focus on doing all the things in life that you love to do and what you're good at, in business and in play, then work-life balance can be achieved. Now, if you believe that more money is going to bring you more balance, check out the video that I did on this gentleman by the name of Chuck Feeney. Chuck built an incredible fortune of $8 billion, and he gave it all away. Why? Well, because of his Ikigai. He loved to bet big, and he was good at it. Business owners are in the enviable position in life where you have the ability to do what you want with your time. You can pay your employees to do all the stuff that they're good at so that you can free up your own time to do what you want to do in life. The more you do what you love to do and what you're good at, the more meaningful life will become. You'll be recognized for doing what the world needs just by being yourself. So if you want work-life balance, do more you. Circle back and reconnect with what you love to do and what you're good at. I guarantee you that those two massively important aspects in life will bring you more well-being in business and after you're out of business. Imagine retirement and knowing exactly what it is that you love to do. It can feel like that today, as long as you know what you love to do and what you're good at. I'm Tim Tamashiro. I hope this video has been absolutely worthwhile for you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I've included a link in the description for my book, How to Ikigai, if you'd like to pick up a copy of that. I'll see you next time, and remember, do more you.